Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Dominoes 7 is on Facebook Live. All right. I'd like to welcome y'all to this Facebook Live, chilling on the on the E6 Metairie local bus. You know, they should have named this Metairie Loop. You know, they should have named it Metairie Loop. You know, because it goes in the loop de loop. You know, all right. I sure missed the Metairie Road bus. You know, So look at that carefully, okay? So, all right. So anyway, I'm just here chilling and everything, getting ready to go to my house and stuff like that. Just coming from the doctor and stuff like that, you know. Okay. So, yeah, you know, everything is cool and stuff like that. Just chilling. Bus driver getting ready to come back, you know. So, yeah, that's cool, you know. Here she come. All right, so I'm not gonna put the bus driver on my show and stuff like that. So I'm about to get off. Okay. So I'll see y'all later. Okay. Talk to y'all on YouTube Live, and I'll do another Facebook Live. Okay. All right. And one more thing I want to say. I'm probably going to the gentle. I'm at the festival. Who knows? Oh, she coming on. So I don't want to put her on. So I'll talk to y'all later. All right. Bye.